Hey guys, so I'm doing a video that you can see that I'm going to do a slime video like last time. And I'm going to try to do the same thing, but I'm going to try to it'll work, okay? Because I found some stuff that it might work, so I'm going to show you what I got in there for now. Like I'm starting new. Right. So I have just, like you guys can see that it's really thick. And I only put shampoo. I only put the shampoo in. So I'm gonna try to put this kind of conditioner in. See if it'll work. Just trying to set you guys up so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. Ew, that's disgusting. Alright, so let's put some of this in here. Yeah, that's good enough. I might put too much, but it's okay. Okay, let's put a little bit more shampoo in. So it's almost done with. So, yeah, that's good. Alright, so you guys see, I put that much. Now I'm going to put the salt in. You know. Oh, I put way too much. You know what? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, let's pour it in there. Mix it together. Caitlin! Sorry, guys. Sorry for the noise, though. It's the TV and my dad's talking. So, sorry about that. Caitlin! Sorry about this. Oh, she won't answer me. Sorry for that noise. I think that's my fridge or my freezer or something. That is. We'll just keep. No, you guys can't hardly see. Here you go. Keep on mixing. Looks like it's starting to make it. I'm gonna show you my other one when I should bring it out now. Alright, guys. Woo! I made a little mess, but it's okay. Alright, there we go. Pour it in there. Mix it together. Alright, when this is gonna just stay out for a minute, I'm gonna show you my other slimes real fast. Bring them out. Alright, so I have this one that I think it's a fail, maybe not. Nope, I don't think it's a fail. Guys, look. Look at that. It's a little. Still sticky, guys. You can see it's still sticky, but this one's my favorite because look. How much should I have in for? Guys, look. So much better. It's like so jiggly. Look, it's easy to put off your hands. And it's soap too, so you can just wash your hands. See, look, guys. It's just soap, shampoo, and conditioner, and salt, but, you know, it's still, you wash it now that I have. So I left those so much. I'm going to keep it in the fridge for a little bit longer. You're supposed to put it in for 5 to 10 minutes. But I do a little longer because it doesn't work for me when I put like 5 minutes in it. So I usually do a lot more, not a lot more, but some more. So it's better. You guys hardly can see this, but it's actually I love it so much. This one's like so thick. It's so surprising that it worked. It was so sticky before I put it in there. Now it's like so cool and like fun. This one's more metallic, I guess, slime. This is like foam slime, but it's actually not. I just, feels like it. So let's put them back and then I'm gonna start doing my this one. You don't have to wait like this. I just wanted you to show so you guys can see right now that it's doing good. So let's put some more salt in and some more. Oh God, look how much I put on accident. You did not, but just get pinch. Pinch of it, and there. And pour this out. It's hard to put it back in the thing, so I just pour it out. You guys can see. It's doing better. It's like clumping up together, so that's really good. But still needs more, but it's not really sticky when I just touch it. When I push it in, it's almost all my slimes that are, shampoo slimes are sticky inside. But I'm just trying to make it good. Mix this all together. You guys can see. Here, I'll put it this way. I'll put it this way so you guys can see. See how jiggly it is? Look, watch. Ready? Just move that. It's getting stickier for some reason. I don't know why. So I think I'm going to stop there and put it in there. Oh, it's falling off my hands. Alright, that's not a lot. Okay, that's too much. So, go. Let's pull this out because it's too much. Now, let's mix. Okay, now I might have messed it up, but... Dad! Sorry about this. Please, be quiet. Thank you. Alright, I'm putting that one in. I'm going to take one out. I usually would put 2 at a time because I don't really have space in my fridge, but you can put as much as you want in one time. Just like, you see all this? So fun. Sorry for the noise, the background noise. So you guys see that it's like, it's so fun. It's really salty for some reason. Why did I feel so much salt? I don't know why. I might have just touched the salt I accidentally put in. Alright, so this isn't a fail, I guess, because I'm touching and everything. Like, look, it like stays together. It does get in my hands, but almost all slimes do. So like look. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, Dad. Whoa, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's so fun. It doesn't really do good. It's good when you go like this, but it's not really. Oh, now it's getting like everywhere in my hands. That's what it's gonna do for a shampoo slime. But it's actually doing really good. Come on, get off. Gosh. Oh, it's so. Oh no. Alright, let's put it back in the bowl because it's getting everywhere on my hands. Okay, this is how much you get on your hands when you stop playing with it. But it's fun. It's really fun. Okay. What are you, Dad? What are you doing? Oh, okay. Sorry for that again. I keep interrupting, but it's okay. Alright, let's. It's so fun. Oh, sorry. Look at my face now. Alright, I think that's all. I'm probably gonna do another video about, maybe I'll use a different. Oh, I'm gonna use. Should I just do it now? No, wait, let me go bring out the other one. See if it works. See if it's done. If it's, I don't know if it's done. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna still see. Yeah, it's definitely not done. Guys, wait, I'll put it down. It's easier for me to do that. So I to go like that. Put it down. And that way. It's not really sticking together. So I'm just gonna keep it in here for a little while. I'm gonna bring my other slime out and see what happened with this. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Okay, it's really sticky, but like, look, it's so cool. Look. Oh my gosh. This is cool. It's different from that slime. This one's like a little more, more heavier and everything like that. Alright, let's put it back in. I still have more in the bowl, but I didn't put all of it because I know it would just go on my hands. So little, like, look at this now. Guys, look. I'm trying to let it focus in. There we go. I don't like it about this slime. It's okay. You guys should check out my other video on my slime. Yesterday I posted it. Alright, I'm gonna put both of these back, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna keep this one out. I'm gonna put this in for just a little bit more. Or should I keep it out, guys? Still a little. So put it back in. Alright, the next video is maybe gonna be slime. I'm not for sure. But I'll see. So bye.